and it is just $4.99 per month for your whole family.
And with that, Apple CEO Tim Cook on Tuesday pushed the streaming video wars into hyperdrive. Apple TV Plus, the company's long talked about streaming service, will be cheaper when it launches on November 1st than all its major competitors. That roughly $5 monthly fee covers up to 6 family members at a time. Compare that to industry giant Netflix. Its cheapest monthly plan is $9 a month for just one viewer. And Disney Plus, which is still in the works, costs $6.99 a month. And Apple has something else to offer the others can't match.
So starting today, when you buy an iPhone, an iPad, a Mac, or an Apple TV, you'll get 1 year of Apple TV Plus included for free.
Investors fear that could spell trouble for Netflix and Disney. Shares of both of those companies moved lower. Streaming media company Roku was hardest hit with a plunge of roughly 12%. Shares of Apple, however, barely moved. Why? Investors seemed underwhelmed by the incremental improvements to the Apple Watch and Apple's most lucrative product.
Let's talk about iPhone.
The iPhone 11. There were surprises, though. Ultra-wide angle cameras and 2 higher-end phones, the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max, topping out with an $1,100 price tag. So what do you get for that? For one, more battery life, says Senior Marketing VP Philip Schiller.
That with iPhone 11 Pro, you now get up to 4 hours longer in your day. With iPhone 11 Pro Max, up to 5 hours longer in your day.
But is that enough to move the sales needle for the aging star? iPhone sales have been down year over year for the last 2 reported quarters. That may be one reason Cook is pushing Apple Arcade, the video game subscription service, at just $4.99 a month, along with Apple TV Plus. The hope? Create a positive feedback loop where consumers feel the need to upgrade to the latest iPhone and iPad to enjoy a better viewing and gaming experience.